this first screencast, we're going to be showing you how to install and activate the Jackrabbit class plugin. So first thing you're going to do is you are going to download the Jackrabbit plugin that was sent to you in an email or by logging into your Jackrabbit account and clicking the download button. Once the plugin zip file has been downloaded to your machine, you're going to log into WordPress. After logging into WordPress, you'll be brought to this dashboard screen that you may or may not be familiar with. In the left-hand vertical navigation, that's the left side of the screen here, you'll notice a navigation option called Plugin. Go ahead and click Plugins. At the top of the screen now, there's a button that says Add New. We are going to click Add New. And then again at the top of the screen there's an Upload Plugin button. Click that, and then it'll have a menu revealed to you here with a button that says Choose File. We're going to click Choose File. We're going to select the Jackrabbit class Jackrabbit plugin, and once you've either double clicked or added that, you're going to click Install Now directly below. And when that plugin installs, you should see an additional blue button that says Activate Plugin. Go ahead and click that button. When the Jackrabbit plugin has been successfully installed, you should see it in the left-hand vertical navigation, and you should see Jack the Rabbit's ears with the little yellow background here, letting you know that the plugin has been successfully installed.